Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad break number 89 of 13-14 UD Ultimate. The last and the break was the Edmonton Oilers on October 11th at 6:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time to our current date and time. Refresh. It's currently Monday, October 12th at 12:18 a.m. Eastern Time. For anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate it did. We will have some more breaks posted here soon, and we are broadcasting live on Breakers here on our other screen. 89, and our serial numbers tonight are NE22115075813706663200. 0758-1370-7666 and 3200. And sealed. Okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. Show the serial numbers one more time for each box. Get started. Good luck, guys. 0758. There we go, guys and gals. Okay, so we start this break off with a base card of Ryan Kessler, 307 of 499, going out to the Vancouver Canucks. Next one is a ultimate rookie of David Brohl, 79, 499, the Maple Leafs. Next hit is a ultimate rookie auto of Emerson Edom, 219 of 299 for the Anaheim Ducks. And a dual jersey, debut threads ultimate patch 2 color of Seth Jones, number 61 of 100, going out to the Predators. All that cold medicine's making me all drowsy now. So 1370, it's box number 2. Patch or something like that here. Okay, so we got base card of Adam Henrique, 274, 499, the New Jersey Devils. Next one is a ultimate rookie of Anton Roussel, number 56 of 499 for the Dallas Stars. Anton Roussel. And we'll just slide this card to the back here. Our next one is a ultimate rookie autograph of Nicholas Jensen, 175, 399. Going out to the Vancouver Canucks. And just redemption there. And redemption. Not a bad one. We got a Ultimate Collection rookie auto patch number 225 of John Gibson. Nice hit there for Anaheim. So whoever has the Anaheim Ducks, we can eBay message you the code if you like. John Gibson auto rookie patch. I don't think I've seen any auto shields redemptions yet. 7666. I wonder if they even inserted any of them in here. So next one we got Marian Gaborik, $4.99, going out to the Columbus Blue Jackets. This one is the Ultimate Rookie, Stefan Matteau, $2.53 of $4.99 for the New Jersey Devils. Stefan Matteau. Our next one is a 97 Legends autograph of Glenn Anderson, going out to the Rangers on this one. Glenn Anderson, New York Rangers. And a dual Ultimate jersey of Matt Sedin for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Matt Sedin. Box number 4 is 3200. So we got base card of Mike Gartner, 177 of 499. Capitals. Next one is the Ultimate Rookie of Lucas Lessio, 350 of 499. Arizona Coyotes. And our next one is a signature masterpiece of Taylor Hall for the Edmonton Oilers. That's actually the only other card. Yep. So it looks like we're shorted a jersey here. And that is actually, we only got 3 cards. Actually, he's trying to slide to absolutely nothing. So I guess we'll forward this video off to Upper Deck here and see the replacement here. So Taylor Hall, I guess we're just missing a jersey card in this set, is what my guess is. I thought there was going to be another card behind us and they're trying to pull it. It's like, what the heck? So box 4, we got Mike Gartner, Lucas Lessio, and a signature masterpiece of Taylor Hall. So we are missing a jersey. So we'll open a QA case with Upper Deck here, then whichever item we get, we'll record the video and we'll send it off to the respective team in this one. Aside from that, have yourself a great night, guys.